want to take this couple of minutes to show up my old workhorse. It's an old Craftsman. I've had it over 30 years. You can tell it's getting old and kind of beat up on. But when I rake this grass, that's what I put in my gardens. See, this old Craftsman, it's hard to see, but these wheels were plastic, see? And they got so slick that when I pulled it across the yard, it wouldn't turn the blades as though they grass. So I took an old bicycle tire, and you see the screws? And Gorilla Glue. Cut the bicycle tire, Gorilla Glued it on both sides. It works like a charm. Now the good thing about this rascal, when you're pulling it behind the lawnmower, it naturally picks up the grass. This string, let me show you how I do that. This thing right here, if I can get it untangled, there you go. I'll hook it right here. When I'm running my lawnmower, when I fill it up like it is right now, I'll take it to wherever I want to use it. I'll take this string while I'm sitting in that seat, and I'll pull it. And I can dump that grass without stopping. Just keep going slow and dump it. And pick it. I can rake the whole yard without getting off that lawnmower and have piles of grass by each bed. Out front and all around. Just rake it and dump it. Now we let the grass grow. When I tell Bobby I need some grass for my beds, we let the grass grow a little bit, a little high, maybe 2 inches. Then we cut it. Then I rake it. But if I don't need the grass clippings in my beds at that particular time, we keep it short, just like the neighborhood. Every house you see around here, the grass is cut, except the one exception right there. And that young man is really, really in bad physical shape. Every once in a while, my neighbor there, I run over there and just cut it for him to keep it under control, to help him out.